I pour Listerine inside my toilet bowl. Wait until you see what happens after. Your bathroom should feel like a high-end retreat, not a chemical factory. So often, we rely on heavy commercial cleaners that leave behind harsh fumes instead of actual freshness. If you've been looking for that perfect, long-lasting aroma that holds for hours, this is it. This custom blend is a professional-grade mix of sanitation and luxury fragrance. It is my absolute go-to for keeping every surface polished and every corner smelling crisp. It transforms the entire atmosphere of the room instantly. Let's blend it together. Today, we're combining three simple elements: mint mouthwash, fabric softener, and white vinegar. It sounds like an unexpected combination at first, but when scientifically paired, they create the ultimate multi-purpose bathroom refresher. This formulation keeps the space looking like a professional detailer just walked through your home. If you love a clean, beautifully organized space and a minimalist aesthetic, you'll want to save this recipe. We are keeping the measurements completely exact for the absolute best results. Start with 300 milliliters of water as your clean foundation. To give this mix its deep, odor-neutralizing power, we're adding 2 full cups of mint mouthwash. The antiseptic properties are incredible for neutralizing bathroom odors right at the source, rather than just masking them with heavy perfumes. To balance the sharp crispness of the mint, gently pour in 1 cup of your favorite fabric softener. This is the ultimate secret to that soft, luxe-class aroma that completely fills the room and hangs in the air like a high-end hotel scent. Finally, we're adding 200 milliliters of white vinegar. This is our powerhouse ingredient. The natural acidity cuts right through stubborn water spots, soap scum, and keeps your porcelain shining without leaving a single streak behind. Give it a gentle, slow stir until it's beautifully blended. Look at that beautiful, clear blue color. Now carefully funnel it into a clean spray bottle. This mixture is intentionally designed for seamless daily maintenance, making your morning and evening resets entirely effortless. I use it on the vanity, the sink fixtures, the toilet tank, and the seat to keep everything pristine. Just spray a light mist, let it sit for just a brief moment to activate, and wipe it away with a clean microfiber cloth. Because of the vinegar and softener combination, it leaves behind a microscopic protective barrier. This barrier makes your granite or porcelain look professionally detailed and helps repel dust and watermarks. It's minimalist cleaning at its absolute best. No heavy fumes, just an elevated, breezy atmosphere. It's affordable, it's fast, and the results truly speak for themselves. If you are focused on maintaining a clean, high-end home aesthetic, make sure to follow along for weekly inspiration. Drop a comment if you're trying this today, and enjoy your beautiful new sanctuary. If you love finding simple, elegant ways to elevate your home care routine, leave a comment with the word amazing down below so I know you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating a space you love, and I will see you in the next video.